Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Enter lock screen password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with numeric, and now enter 6-digit, 4 digits or 4 to 16 digits password. And use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric, and to create alphanumeric password, enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Now, let's go to Face Unlock and simply scan your face in this area. Tap Done, and now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select Fingerprint, and now tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times. Each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap Done, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.